Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Apple ID both on your device and at Icloud. This prevents accidental deletion from a different account. Once signed in, make a quick backup of any files or photos you might need because deletion is often permanent. Next, open the relevant app, Photos, Files, or iCloud settings and locate the specific album, file, or backup you plan to remove so you can delete precisely and avoid collateral loss. Now perform the deletions inside each app. For photos, select Pictures, tap Delete, and then clear them from recently deleted to free storage. This avoids the 30-day grace period. For files in iCloud Drive, select Files or Folders and choose Delete. If saving local space, use Remove Download instead. In Settings, go to iCloud Storage, Manage Storage, pick Device Backups or app data you no longer need, and delete them to free iCloud space quickly and cleanly. Finally, handle account-level removals and confirm completion. Use iCloud.com to delete mail, contacts, calendars, and reminders that sync across devices, and if removing a device entirely, sign out or erase it via Find My iPhone to unlink. Make sure you check iCloud storage afterward to verify freed space. If things look unchanged, troubleshooting tip: check for sync delays and try signing out and back in. Allow up to 24 hours for cloud changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.